있습니다.
없어요. 미안해요.
열심히 배우고 있죠.
In the rural.
In the
Rural.
아 이거 배운 건데? Rural.
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 area.
Hello, folks, and welcome back. We're going to watch what English sounds to non-English speaking countries. I saw this a little while back, and I thought it was really funny, but also really frustrating at times. And I was just a little stickler. I wish they kind of had changed up kind of the guidelines for how to do this activity. Anyways, it's kind of fun still from Awesome World channel. Let's take a watch.
But I think I can do. I mean, I never studied it properly. I just learned from life. Argensor,
Argenso?
howdy.
Howdy. Is that English?
I don't know.
Me too. It's not my mother language, but yeah, I have many friends. Like it's not makes sense, but you have to try. It doesn't make sense.
Oh no. I can't even say this. Okay. 진짜 어려워 보여. 천천히 했어요. The ruler in the rural area has ridiculous rules.
Wow, so this is level 1. The ruler in the rural area has ridiculous rules. Or has a ridiculous rule. This is actually pretty challenging. I think this would have been, I would have thought this would have been like a level 2 or something. I don't want to see how hard this is going to get in the end, but anyways, I saw this a while back, so I don't remember what the next levels were, but this seems pretty hard and definitely would be for non-native English speakers. But also, that girl's Korean is pretty good. Her accent's pretty smooth, so it seems like they're playing a telephone game. They have headphones so that the next speakers can't hear, and it looks like they're going to pass it down, so let's keep watching.
Rules.
다시 한번. The ruler.
The rule. The rule.
Ruler like king.
Yeah.
The ruler.
The ruler.
In the rural.
In the rural. 아 어려워. 나 왜 이렇게.
Okay.
The
Yeah, relax.
ruler is the
In the rural.
in the
Rural.
아 이거 배운 건데? Rural.
Rural
Rural.
area. We're not gonna get past these two. You can do it. The ruler.
So for those of you who don't know Korean, Korean doesn't have any true R sounds. They have a consonant called the lil, which is kind of like this LR-ish sound. But anything with R, this one's got a mean for sure for any Korean, but this would be pretty tricky and challenging. He's not doing a bad job, but this is a really, really difficult one.
Area. 잘해야 돼요.
The ruler in rural area is has ridiculous rule.
다시.
Ridiculous has
해서 두 번이야?
아니야 한 번.
The ruler work.
The ruler in rules
The ruler in rules
area
area has.
in
맞아요?
is has has
Okay, so this is going to be my first of many, many more kind of quibbles with this. I know this is just a fun video, but I think that the person behind, once you give the saying, you should put your headphones on. So that first girl, she shouldn't be allowed to tell the next guy or help at all. And obviously they did tell her not to help out, but she shouldn't even be able to hear because that way they're not tempted. She's not going to mime anything. So it just seems like if you really want a true effect of this, that the people behind you shouldn't be able to get to listen either.
ridiculous
Ridiculous.
has
해서 좀 맞춰놨지? 모르겠지만. 미안해요. 미리. The rover in rules has
Has
Ridiculous.
Tequila.
So it happened again. So someone helped out, right? And the whole point of telephone, the whole fun of the game, right, is when you're kids, right, the first person gets a fun saying, and then you tell your friend, you whisper it, and then they tell their next person. You keep going down the line, and by the end, you have the ridiculous saying that sounds nothing like what happened the first part, or that nothing like close to the original saying. That's the whole fun of this. So you shouldn't be able to help. So, anyways.
The teculus? Teculus? Has? Okay. The river in Rus.
잠깐만. The
river
river?
in Rus has.
River?
That's what I heard. I don't know.
What does that mean?
I don't know. Makes no
The
sense.
river in
The-
Ru?
The river in Rus has. The teculus has. That's. I don't know what I mean, but that's what I heard.
The river, the tequila. The tequila. What is that mean? 잠깐만.
좀 맞춰서 가는 것 같기도 하고.
Like it's not make sense, but you have to try. It doesn't make sense. The river? The river. Oh? The river? River. The river. No, it's not river. It's river. The brewer. River.
Okay, say the full sentence.
The river in Rus has ridiculous has.
No miming, no miming. What is this, like charades? You shouldn't be able to use any actions. The whole point of this, again, I know I'm just being really a nitpicker here and quibbling on this, but if you're going to do a video on what English sounds like, what English sounds to non-English speaking countries, don't add actions in. There shouldn't be miming or charades. That shouldn't be allowed. You should just have to say it anyways.
The river. It's not river. It's like Louvre. The Louvre. Oh, maybe.
The roof.
The roof in Rus.
The roof.
Oh.
The roof in
Rus.
Rose.
Roads.
Roads.
Well, he said Rus. He said Rus.
She said.
Nói á.
I just copied the sound.
The rivers in Rus had ridiculous heads.
It's so funny the word that actually made it.
좀 어려웠다.
Okay, I've never heard this before, but this was so hard. The ruler in the rural area has ridiculous rules. Ruler, like king.
There was has 2 times, like has, no, has.
No.
What was the last one?
Okay. 다시
That's
한번.
ridiculous rule. Right?
How
Yeah,
ridiculous.
ridiculous rules.
나 맞았어.
너무 Not bad.
Not bad.
I think so.
할 수 있어요.
I'm here.
자, 진짜 잘해주세요. 제가 부탁드릴게요. 제가 잘해요. 제발 진짜 부탁드릴게요. 알겠습니다. 예, 열심히 할게요.
Okay. The sixth 여섯 번. Okay. The sixth sick 아파.
Okay.
sick. Shake. shake 그것이 아니야. 그 아랍적인 shake.
Shake.
Yes,
Okay,
shake.
shake.
So the sixth sick shake.
The sixth.
The
Shake.
Again, with the miming and the actions, that should not be allowed, especially so early on. That defeats the whole purpose of this video. That's frustrating because I would actually like to just hear and see what exactly comes out without that. So they shouldn't allow that. So Awesome World or Awesome World, if you watch this video, if there's a small chance that you do end up seeing this reaction or a commentary, please don't let them use actions, because then you get actually the full effect if they're not allowed to do that.
the sixth 다시 sixth sheep 매. Don't put 매 though. Sheep. So So the sentence is the sixth sick shakes, sixth sheep sick.
The shake, 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 shake.
I tried.
잘 발전해야 돼요 이거. 이거 쉬워요. The shake, the sick,
The six.
sick, sick,
What?
sick,
The six. Sheep.
sick,
Sick.
sick,
Sick.
shake,
Shake.
sick. 아, shake,
Shake.
얼굴 잡고 shake.
Shake. 뭐야 이게? 잠깐만요. The six.
The
The
sick, sick, shake,
Sick. 그 다음에.
shake, shake, shake.
그러면 the sick. the sick. Sick. Shake.
아파,
Sick.
아파.
아.
십매,
오케이.
십.
sheep. Sick.
또 아파.
Sick.
다시.
the six. Sick. Shake.
또 아파.
Sick. Shake.
십.
sheep.
매.
yes.
또 아파.
Sick.
세 명 아파.
Okay. The sick. Shake, sick, sheep, sick. 이게 맞아요? 오케이.
Subway, there's subway.
I'm sorry.
진짜 잘했어요.
The six.
The six,
Sick.
sick,
Yes. Shake,
shake,
sick,
sick. Okay.
sheep. Sheep,
Sheep,
sick.
sick,
네,
sick 3 times.
Yes. Per sentence. The six,
The six,
sick.
the six sick,
Yes. Shake, sick.
the six sick shake, six,
Sheeps,
sheeps
sick.
sick.
Yes. Yes.
I forgot.
Exactly.
Okay. The six sick shake sheep sick.
So this is definitely considered one of the toughest tongue twisters in English. The six sheiks, six sheeps, sick. I really don't know how often this comes up in conversation, but even for native English speakers, this is really, really tricky and challenging. So I'm not surprised that they're struggling with this one. But again, please, no actions and no commentary from the peanut gallery in the back there and people trying to help out. It should just let them kind of figure it out on their own.
Okay.
The six.
The six,
Yeah. The six sick.
sick,
The six.
sick,
The six sick shake
shake,
sheep six.
take sheep.
I already forgot. Okay.
잠깐만요. 정리하고.
Good luck, Shannon.
The six, sick, shake, sick. The sick, the sick, sick, shake, sick,
Oh wait,
sick 2 times. Like 아파 2 times.
you might know this. I don't know it, but I think I know where the phonetics messed up, so I think I can fix it. Wait. Okay.
So yeah, for sure. I mean, she'll probably be able to fix it a bit, but I would like to just figure out or hear what she thought she heard as well. So interesting kind of strategy to switch up the placement though. Anyways, a lot of fun.
The 6 sick chicks.
Yes.
Okay. Am I getting it? Okay,
You're
hold on.
getting it?
Okay, this.
Sheep sick. He says sheep sick.
She's like, shit on this.
I heard sheeps.
Alright,
sheeps.
okay. So I think I don't know. The 6 sick chicks. The ending I don't know.
Sheeps.
The 6.
Here.
She's doing a thumbs up and she's doing this.
Okay. 6 6. Okay. Okay. Me. Me. Anyone.
Sheep?
Oh, okay.
yeah, yeah.
And the last word. Last word.
Okay. Talk about the 6 sick chicks, the 6 sick sheep, right?
The 6 sick shakes. 6 sheep sick.
맞네. 괜찮아.
What?
달랐어요?
The
나 기억력 이슈인 거야.
그래도 I will
Ship,
give
ship.
A for effort. A for effort because she understood it all.
I try my best.
It was funny.
망했어요.
많이 힘들어요.
확실히 저보다 조금 잘하시네요. 네, 아직 조금.
Yeah.
농담이에요. 잘하는 거 같아요.
태국어, 힌디어.
One type.
아, 저는 태국어.
So English is such a the lingua franca of our world right now, right? So it's interesting just to see different English speakers from around the world or different people hearing it and how they interpret it and what it comes out to. So again, I would love it if they just didn't use the miming or actions. Interesting strategy here, and there was a lot of help there, but a lot of fun. Good idea. Let me know if you want to hear or see me react or comment on more of these types of videos. Take care of yourselves.